Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So to get started, I'm going to mention that this can be done with or without a screen lock that you know or don't know. If you just have a screen lock that you don't know, you'll do this from a lock screen. Hold your power button. Disregard the fact that it unlocked, but you just then select power off, and when the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. After holding both of those buttons for a couple seconds, you should feel a vibration of the device, at which point just let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And once the screen goes black again after the Honor logo, you can let go of the volume up as well. As you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. From here, you want to select clear data and then factory reset. The confirmation here is just you typing in yes, so like so, and then select factory reset. This will begin formatting your device, and at least at this point it only takes a couple of seconds to finish this, maybe a couple dozen seconds. So let's just wait for this to finish up. Oh, there we go. And from here we're going to select back and then restart, and this will now continue resetting the device in the background. This will take about minutes to 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.